Hi, I'm Zeph, and I'm the Organising Secretary of the Secondary 1 Orientation 2020, and welcome to Behind the Scenes of SOO'20.
Hi Zeph, thank you for joining us for this interview. So we've got a couple of questions here prepared for you to allow the Hwa Chong student body to better understand what SOO is like. So first question, what is SOO to you?
Okay, so many people know that SOO is an event where the secondary ones are familiarized with the school compound and like the rich history of Hwa Chong. But for me, it doesn't feel that that's like the only thing for SOO. It's more of an event where the secondary ones are introduced to the Hwa Chong spirit, and where the Hwa Chong spirit shines the brightest, where you can see the OT, the buddies, the advisors, and the freshmen themselves sharing their hearts out. And that's why it's SOO to me.
Okay, second question. For those of you watching this video, the theme for this year's Secondary 1 orientation was Ignite, Take Flight. So Zeph, could you elaborate a bit more on how the organizing team members chose this theme?
Okay, so for the formulation of the team, we had each OT member come to a general meeting with a few ideas and suggestions for the new team. And from there, we condensed these themes into a few main ideas. And then we selected the main idea that we wanted our team to convey for the orientation itself. So as for our team Ignite, Take Flight, we want to ignite the passion within the secondary ones and have them take their first step towards achieving success, and in the sense that it's taking flight.
Okay, third question. So SOO is a very special event because it involves many groups of people, from the buddies to the organizing team members to the advisors. So Zeph, could you briefly summarize the role of the organizing team members, buddies and advisors?
Okay, so for the organizing team, very obviously they are the ones in charge of planning and executing the event, and they are just there to ensure that everything runs smoothly. And for the advisors, as the name suggests, they are there to advise the organizing team members as seniors who have prior experience for the event itself, and just to help out the OT and ensure that they stay on track. For the buddies, they are the ones who are taking the main stage in the execution of the event, as they have to take care of the freshmen and forge bonds with the freshmen and ensure that the orientation is fun and memorable for the freshmen during the event itself.
Okay Zeph, for the fourth question, let me tell you a little story. So when I was a secondary 1 and I entered SOO, right, I thought my buddies were cool, but you know who I thought was cooler? I thought the organizing team members were very cool. So I saw them running around, managing things, but at that point in time, I wasn't quite sure of what exactly they were doing behind the scenes. So maybe you want to elaborate a bit more on like the different job scopes of the different committees in the OT so that everybody can better understand what they do.
Okay, so for the organizing team, they're split into 3 different committees, which is admin, logs, and props. So for admin, they are mainly in charge of the paperwork, in the sense that they have to do all the allocations for the buddies and the freshmen, and then they also have to do the survival guide and the buddies guide and the freshman letter, which is the green piece of paper that every freshman receives on like somewhere around the 20th of December. As for the logistics committee, so very obviously they're in charge of garnering the logs for the different events or games for the event. But more than that, they're also there to help design the souvenirs that the Sec 1s receive. So they are in charge of contacting the suppliers who can supply the souvenirs which has our own custom logo. Okay, so for programs, they are in charge of programs. Okay. They are in charge of coming up with the different games that are to be played for the event, and to come up with an outline, like the program's outline for the event, such that things will run smoothly.
Okay, next question. So now that we know what the organizing team members do, we know that they've put in a lot of effort in order to make SOO an amazing event. So could you tell us a bit more about the planning process for Secretary 1 orientation this year? For example, the timeline and the rough scheme of work that was put in place.
Okay, so for the planning of this year's secondary one orientation, because we had a really tight time frame to work with, so we had to ensure that everyone was on task. So after the OT was formed, as in after the OT members were selected, then we had general meetings every Thursday where committees will constantly update about their progress on their various, let's say, their various job scopes in a sense, so that the advisors and the teachers, as well as the rest of the OT, will be kept in the loop. As for the preparation for the buddies for the event itself, we have 3 different buddies training dates closer to the event itself, so it's like late December, like 20 plus. And that's where we also dry run our programs, not just the games but also events such as March In and have briefings for example cheers com as well.
Clarence, Zeph, and Keen. So, very simple question. What is SOO to you?
A time to meet new freshmen.
Okay.
It's a joke to me. Opportunity to introduce.
So, Joshua, what is SOO to you?
SO, I think SO is not a mere event that the Sec 1s go through before they become part of Hwa Chong. It is an experience that we want to pass down and a fond memory that we hope will stay long in their hearts and minds. And it's also another example of how the school encompasses the Hwa Chong spirit, and we hope that can be passed down through generations of Hwa Chong.
Hi, what's your name?
My name is Benedict.
Okay, so hi Benedict, how has your SOO been so far?
It's been quite fun and the buddies have been quite helpful. They also help us, like if we don't know anything or if we want to go to the toilet or drink water, they also bring us there. And they also always do head counts to make sure that we don't get lost. And the activities are also quite fun. So I am quite happy that they plan the SOO very well.
Thank you. Wow. Yo, those are Zeph.
Fun.
So Zeph, what Pokemon are you?
Wait, what is it? Okay, thanks for watching this video and I hope you guys learn more about the council and SOO, and see you guys soon.